Welcome to Soothing Pod's meditation. In this practice, we'll tune into our innate wisdom, learning to listen deeply. Take a moment to settle into a comfortable seat. Let your spine lengthen without creating tension. Gently close your eyes. And begin to notice your body. Let your forehead soften. Relax any tension in your face and jaw. And as you allow your body to heavily release into your chair or cushion, notice how you feel in this very moment. Notice how your body feels. Is it tense or relaxed? Notice your state of mind. Does your mind feel calm or agitated? Notice the quality of your breath. Is it shallow or deep? And whatever your experience is, let it be exactly that. Allowing and accepting your experience just as it is. And now turn your attention to your breath. Notice the natural rise and fall of each breath. And allow your breath to be exactly as it is. Rather than changing or controlling your breath, make room for each inhale and each exhale. Notice how the breath ebbs and flows. Perhaps there is a specific pattern to your breathing. Or you might observe the subtle shifts and changes that happen as you stay with each cycle of breath. Your job right now is to simply remain present with your breath in whatever shape and form it takes. And whenever your mind drifts, lovingly direct your attention back to your breath. Soften the need to control your practice. There is no particular way to feel. There's nothing to strive for or attain. Just allow your practice to be exactly as it is in this very moment. You are learning to be completely present in your experience, breath after breath, moment after moment. Now gently soften your attention. When we're faced with a challenge, it is natural to seek external advice. We turn to a trusted friend or teacher for their valuable input. External guidance can be extremely helpful and can offer us a unique perspective on the situation. In the end, though, we are the only ones that can fully comprehend our own experience. Learning to trust our inner wisdom is a process. Our meditation practice helps us get there by quieting the judging mind and tuning out external distractions. It is only when we become quiet that our internal knowledge and wisdom can emerge. And the more we listen inward, the more we learn to trust ourselves. We are the only ones that truly know what is best for us. So the next time you feel uncertain about which step to take, remember that your inner wisdom is your most trusted teacher. External guidance can help you find direction, but ultimately, learn to listen to and trust your innate wisdom. Now lovingly return to your breath. Take a few deep inhales and exhales. Bring soft movements back to your body. And when you're ready, slowly open your eyes. I hope you enjoyed this meditation, and we'll see you back here tomorrow.